In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the Pages panel on Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you manage more than one site, click your profile and choose the website you want to work on so you're editing the right place. From there, open the website section, then go straight to Pages. This panel is your site's map and control center, showing what visitors can navigate to and what stays behind the scenes. At the top, you'll see main navigation. Anything here appears in your site's primary menu, so add pages you want visitors to find easily, like home, about, services, or contact. Below that, you'll find not linked. Pages here don't show in the main menu, but they're still live and can be visited via direct links. This is perfect for landing pages, thank you pages, special promotions, or any content you want to share selectively from buttons, forms, or emails without cluttering the menu. Look for a small house icon next to a page. That marks your current homepage. You can only have one homepage at a time, so it's a quick way to identify which page your site opens on by default. To add a new page, click the plus icon and pick what you need, either a blank page for full control or a pre-designed layout to move faster. You can reorder your site by clicking and dragging pages. Rearranging within main navigation changes the menu order, and dragging a page between main navigation and not linked moves it in or out of the primary menu without affecting its content. Each page has a gear icon for settings. In general, you can edit the page title, adjust the URL slug, or set a password. Keep slugs short, lowercase, and descriptive to help both visitors and search engines. Password protection is handy for client previews or private materials. In navigation, you can choose whether the header or footer appears on that page, useful for distraction-free landing pages. In SEO, add titles and descriptions that summarize the page clearly and encourage clicks in search results. Think concise, human-friendly language. If you need to remove a page, hover and click the trash can icon. Don't worry, deleted pages go to the trash folder and can be restored within 30 days, which makes it safe to clean up without losing work permanently. Finally, some pages are collections like blog, portfolio, or store. These act as containers for items such as posts, projects, or products, and come with extra options tailored to managing those items. And that's the Pages panel, clear, flexible, and central to organizing your Squarespace site with confidence.